Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and we are doing March Madness today, days 6 through 9. I had to think for a second. So I have $40 here. We're doing $10 a day. We started this the other day and made some good progress already. So go check out that video if you haven't yet. And each challenge is going to get $2. I have a feeling that we will finish a lot of them today, so that's very exciting. I hope you guys are having a great day today. I hope you guys are having a great week. I'm not sure when I will be posting this, so just know that whenever I do, I hope that you are doing well. And I have gotten a few things that are shipping to me for my giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much again for helping me reach that milestone. That is huge. And I am so excited. So if you are not yet publicly subscribed, you'll want to go ahead and check for that because the giveaway will be open to public subscribers only. All right. So let me clean this up and we'll check. We'll see how we did. I do feel like I'm finally getting caught up on some stuff, although this week has been tricky still. I have had a bit more time, so that has been nice. All right, so this first one is by Restoration by Autumn. National Pig Day is March 1st, and we are adding $2. Oops. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, challenge number 2 is by Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. We are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. So we have 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Amazing. And I'm going to just go ahead and swap this out for a 20 because it just makes sense, right? All right. Next we have this one by Savings with Tracy. We are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we're close to finishing this one too. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in this one. Then we have this one by Dying Outlaw Games and Budgets. Each one of these is $3, and we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we only needed 6 really. So we can go ahead and fill in these. All right, and then we'll mark that this one is done on 3, 6, $9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll set those ones aside to see what we can do with them. And this one is done. Our first challenge done from March Madness. Yay! Okay, then we have this one by Bookish Mama Budgets. We got $2 in this one. There we go. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a good start with that one. All right, and then we have this one by Kayla at Printable by Woods. I think her channel name changed, so I'm not sure what it is, but it'll be down in the description. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is what we needed. And we have $3 extra here. I'll set those aside. So we had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so let me grab a 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. So we have 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 in this challenge, and that one is done. All right, then I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra dollars here. Let's see, I know this one is, yep, we can finish this one. So we'll add $2 to this one. One, two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. All right, so I'm just gonna make change as I go. That'll help me stay on track of it, or on top of it. All right, so that one is done. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see where we're at with this one. Oh, okay, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll add these to this challenge and almost be done with that one. Awesome. Okay, so that is it for our second March Madness video, days 6 through 9. We finished 3 challenges today, awesome savings, and I am so excited to continue doing this. So I hope you guys stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.